All right, first things first. You let all that nappy head out. All right? Gotta take it all out. You go ahead and brush every inch of them spaghettis out. You feel me? Nappy ass headed girl, man. Look at her. Look at that. Look at that nappy head. God dang. All right, then you put some Can 2 little white stuff there, cream. Guessing this, what? I don't know what the hell it is. But you go ahead and lubricate it all up. You know what I'm saying? Get it all wet. And after that, you put some more in there. God dang, girl, you gonna look at that. Yeah, go ahead and zoom in. All that junk falling on there, cause you put too dang much. Look at you. Look at you. Look on your forehead, like someone did something or something. Junk, man. Look at that. Wow. All right. Well, you go ahead and do all that. You know what I'm saying? Crunch it all up, make it all looking nice. Then you'll go ahead and get the blow dry with the diffuser. You gotta get the diffuser, you feel me? Because if you don't, it ain't gonna be looking right. You wanna make sure the curls pop out. When I say out, you want them puffed out. All right, and then you go ahead. God dang, girl, you take it for why you bent down for? No one want to see the top of your head, man. Pick your head up, man. Oh, there you go. Shit, for me, I was like, man, where the hell you went? Shit, we ain't trying to look at your head. All right, first things first. You get a little butt plug, you know what I'm saying? Wipe it all over your face. And all that cream and that, whatever the heck that is. Put it all over your face. Then you get, I guess, that some more. Yeah, you're going to drown your face, girl. Look at that. All right, then you go under your eyelids. Put it, you know what I'm saying? You got to blend it everywhere. In the eyeball. In the eyebrow, in the mouth, you know what I'm saying? On the lips, chin, nose. You gotta blend it everywhere. All right, then you get this other thing, put it under your eyeball. Oh yeah, you forgot to get inside. Yeah, there you go. Get it inside. Get it inside. There you go. You gotta make sure it's blending good, cause you don't want to look like a clown face like all these other girls. You know what I'm saying? They don't know how to blend in, and then all of a sudden you're gonna see half a different skin, half another. All right. So you gotta make sure it's blending real good right there through the forehead. Oh, I think you missed a spot. All right, then you get this little brush. All right, this is when you get the blush in. You're gonna get some blushes in. And all right, why you stop? All right, there you go. You gotta make sure you get that cheekbone. You know what I'm saying? How these actors got them cheekbones popping out and junk. You want to make sure it's looking real nice. All right, then you go ahead and get this black stuff and put it all over your eyebrows. Make sure, ladies, just make sure yours does not look like a Nike mark check. All right? Tired of seeing that. Y'all making the endings look too damn thin. I'm like, man, what the heck, bruh? Might as well get sponsored by Nike or something. Shit. All right? Make sure they popping out looking nice. And then you can get some scissors. And, all right, and you pluck out your what is that? Your eyelashes? Yeah. Cut your eyelashes off. All right? Make sure you have some, though, because you don't want to look stupid with no eyelashes. All right. And then after that, you go on to the eyeballs. You can see she messed up. But it's all right, though. All right. Then look at that. She got a little cover up to cover that black stain she left on her. Looking better. All right. I see you, girl. All right. Then you put on your nose like a reindeer. All right. Dang, you already messed it up. Putting your hands all over your face. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm guessing that goes right down on the bottom of your eyeliner. Don't make sure you don't get your eye now, because that junk be hurting. You feel me, Hemi? That junk be hurting. I don't even think it's even marking. Look, you don't even see no damn mark on there. Look at that. Where the heck that been? It's a waste of money. That junk ain't doing nothing. Look at that. Oh yeah, make sure you color all that right inside your eyeball. Make sure that's all black too, because that's the most important thing. It really makes the eye pop out, if you know what I'm saying, homie. All right, and you put some lip gloss, make it look poppin'. You know what I'm saying? Like you just got done drinking water. That's all, folks. Oh wait, no wait, she ain't done. Oh, look how beautiful she turned out. All right.